Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable LE audio connection in your JBL Partybox on the go 2. You can do this only in the application called the JBL Partybox on the go 2. The name is JBL Partybox, and here they have the JBL Partybox on the go 2 compatible. And once you're in the application, you need to just scroll all the way down. Once you have done that, tap here the product settings. Now the third option over here is LE audio connection. Tap it here to enable that, and now to activate the LE audio connection, your product will audio reboot. This change would take about 10 seconds. Please tap the button to forget your current Bluetooth connection first, then go to the settings to connect your speaker with all audio sources in the pairing Bluetooth list. So, the first thing that we need to do is to tap Activate. Now we need to just wait, as the producer says 10 seconds. Once this change is made, we need to exit, and here go to settings. Now, here, connect devices, pair new device, and test JBL Party. Just here. Test JBL Partybox on the go 2. Pair new device, JBL Partybox on the go 2. Pair. And this is with this LE audio connection. So what to do now if I want to disable this? So go here, and we don't want here because we have this LE audio, but if we go back to the app here, you can find the option to disable. It's the same here, product settings, LE audio connection, tap deactivate. Let's go to the settings and wait for the change. Now the device and our speaker here. Close, pair, and that's it. How it helps you, and goodbye.